In this video, we will learn about digital rights management and how we can apply it using AWS. Now, when you talk about digital rights management, it is a method of protecting the digital media, which means you can protect the digital media, be it a DVD, a CD, or ebooks, or even a PDF file. Whenever the digital media you have, you can protect it from any kind of unauthorized use, modification, or even distribution. For example, sometimes you would have tried to replicate a DVD, but then DVD copying software would have told you, okay, it cannot be done because it is DRM protected, which means digital rights protected. This is because the owner of that particular DVD has protected this particular content or the songs or the videos on the DVD from any kind of unauthorized use or distribution. Let's talk about Kindle. You must have used Amazon Kindle one way or the other, be it on your Kindle reader, be it on your desktop or your laptop. Now, whenever you open a file, if you just go to the properties and see, it would have something called simultaneous device usage. Now, if that is set to unlimited, this means there is no DRM applied to it. What it means is that this particular file can be used across many devices. Now, let's open another file and check its properties. Now, nowhere it is mentioned that there is an unlimited distribution that can happen. This means this particular file is DRM protected. Now, anybody who owns this particular file has the ownership rights. Of course, that person does not want this particular file to be distributed across multiple users or the devices, because every time this particular file gets accessed or bought over Kindle, the owner of this file gets the royalty. Now, of course, this person does not want to lose royalty. Now, let's talk about AWS. Let's switch over to AWS. We have something called Amazon Elastic Encoder. Now, this particular tool converts the digital media in S3 buckets using codecs to the output that could be required by multiple end customer devices, which could be a mobile or it could be a tab. When we come to this particular page, which is Amazon Elastic Encoder, now we have to click on create a new pipeline. There is a pipeline that we can create, and of course, there are jobs that are going to get queued up in this particular pipeline. We have to fill out these fields, which is the bucket name, which is the storage class, and then whether we want to encrypt or not. By default, it is encryption that is applied. We'll have to fill out these fields and then save them so that they can be applied. Then we have another tool that Amazon provides, and it is known as AWS Elemental Media Convert, which is a file-based video conversion for traditional broadcast and internet streaming.